can't go near somebody.
This burns the back of your throat, man. I'm gonna throw up.
No, you're supposed to go over to somebody and do it. Go, just.
I can't go over to someone. I'll pass by. I'll be like,
No, just wait for somebody to get a scratch off or something.
were you there when that lady screamed at me?
No.
Oh,
What'd she do?
I was with Nathan. I'm like, watch. I was like, she was like, excuse me? I don't think your mother would like that.
She said that?
She's like, you're a teenager, a good-looking teenager. You treat people like that. I'm like, I wasn't treating nobody like nothing. I just burped because I need a burp because I'm drinking 2 liters of soda right now.
Do it. Move, so I can see the guy.
Need a pee.
Drink it.
We went to take a pee.
Dude, let's go with something to throw up. I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna go throw up in the trash can outside. You gotta get this. No.
Couple more sips.
You want me to throw up?
Couple more
I
sips.
want to throw up. It hurts. I don't care.
One more, two more.
No.
Little sips.
No.
It's a video. Do it.
I'm seriously gonna throw up.
Go do it outside. I'll videotape it.
Yeah, puking from too much soda. Oh, I'm gonna die. And I haven't met Chumley yet. I'm gonna die and I haven't met Chumley yet.
Whenever the guy over there coughs and coughs.
No.
Do it.
No, if I do anything, burp, fart, cough, sneeze, laugh, I'm gonna throw up. Did you know if you do all those at one time, you'll blow up? Your eyes will come out.
Drink the whole soda and put down some Mentos. And then shake up your body.
No.
That won't do anything.
I know, but
It'll blow up. orange soda.
No. No, I can't get the hiccups now. No.
Why? Why don't you want them?
Because I don't want to. Yeah, I'm gonna.
When we go outside, we have to do tricks, and then we'll leave. Wait, I do some tricks. Whoa! Whoa! Ooh, they got Instagram?
She doesn't even say love me. It's really annoying.
Yo! Look at that! Large cheese pizza for $7.
Are you serious?
I know!
It's not 4 o'clock.
It's Monday. It's 4 to 8. What time is it?
It's 2:30. Abby's dating that kid with the gold mohawk.
And?
Michaela likes him. And I'm dating Michaela.
Michaela likes him?
Yeah. I hate how she likes other boys. It really makes me mad.
Why? You're not dating her.
What?
Are you dating her?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Ask her. Say, aren't we dating? Chris, don't believe me. Oh, I got a text. Oh, crap. Oh, God. Ah, burns.
How do you spell your last name? How do you spell your last name?
Kestler.
Kestler.
Tler.
Okay, I got it right.
That was our Bert prank, and the guy went over to him when he went to the bathroom, and the guy was yelling at him. And it was I didn't know he told me that the guy yelled at him. I would have came over and videotaped it, but I didn't know.